Welcome to Definitely Not Mechanics. Today, we get a new shit box. And guess what? It runs. Oh yeah, baby. Pure power.
Alright guys, so I just got here, try to scope out everything and make sure that this could be pulled out. We had a clear way to get it to the road. Apologize, there are some angry ass dogs in the background. Hopefully they'll calm down as this progresses. But here she sits, boys. All of this stuff was on top of it. I'm trying to clean out some of the stuff that's in it. That'll make it more easy to get out. Like, she's sitting pretty low right now. I think that's just because it's loaded down, but all these tires are flat and they're in ruts that are 10 years old. Hopefully not everything's seized up. So all of that shit was inside of here. Hopefully none of these trees are actually grown through anything here. Hi, I'm Zach, and welcome to another episode of Definitely Not Mechanics. Oh, that's a good boy, Zach. That's a good boy. Here's that boy right now. God dang old pick-em-up truck. Pull down that driveway right there. We'll come around behind the house. We're having just a tiny bit of winch problems. It's hooked up, not moving. It's hooked to the battery. Guess we gotta figure this out now. Great. Sick. Super sick. Upset, but that's on a tow hook. See how well we can do this. Give her hell. Oh, hold on. Give her another try. Is your parking brake on? Keep pulling?
You may have to get in there and be on the brake.
Oh yeah, it's rolling. All right, let's give that a try then. All right. Oh, she coming. She coming, boys.
Yeah, that's
Oh, hell yeah. What's that?
I don't know.
To make quick work of this, we're just gonna try to back up. See if that pulls it.
That didn't sound good.
Oh, it's just locking in. It's fine. It's locking into neutral. Keep pulling. Oh yeah. Well, now that I bent the parking brake up, I at least got it freed. Turns out this is the hood. This pops the parking brake. Probably could have got this 2 years ago when I tried to pick it up. Oh, dude, check this out. Fucking cat skeleton. Hell yeah. Hey, buddy. Sick. Just straight wheeling.
I don't have to. Why is this the project even?
Because it's fucking sweet, dude. Look at it.
I'm gonna look back there.
Good. Oh yeah. Ooh-wee. I don't even understand what this is.
It popped out.
We also lost a grill piece, but hey man, that's good. Give her hell. Keep pulling. Keep going. A little more. All right, so we've got our tow truck jackknifed with the trailer, ramps down. Car to be hauled is here. And we've got a winch truck right here pulling straight through to get this thing up on these ramps.
Hey, straighten up the wheel. Whoa, whoa. Hey, hey.
Pulling wasn't working as much. Now we're just gonna push. Oh yeah. Get some momentum, really gun it. There we go, keep going. Yeah, we just broke loose. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Whoa. The next step is put a battery on this thing, see if it'll at least turn over. No reason why it shouldn't. We got a key. All the wiring's there. Probably still got gas in it. Oh, that's good, yeah. It's a good indication.
Ready for this?
Oh, we got power. Something's making noise.
I just got filled with fucking fuel.
What? We got a fuel leak. Okay, that's tight. Fuel pump's still on even with the key out. Fuck with that ignition a whole lot because that ignition's wonky as hell. What? No way.
Get the fuck out of here.
No way.
Get the fuck out of here, bro.
Oh my god! Are you shitting me right now? This from? We pulled this straight out of the woods and it fucking starts. It hasn't started in 10 years and all we had to do was put a battery in it, run on 10-year-old gas. Oh my god. This thing would pass inspection. But we got functional gauges too. Got almost a full tank of gas, good pressure. Dude, it starts up so good. What? It's manual? Yep. Fuck me, that's cool. Real quick. It works.
I actually think that's more cold.
No fucking way. Hit it again.
It's blowing cold.
Oh shit! Dude, it's got the good stuff too. I bet it's got that old school. The R12? honestly, knowing our luck with stuff, I'm super shocked that it ran. And like normally with our luck, it would start running and then explode. But it didn't.
I don't understand. The only thing that worries me is the fact that trying to put it in the gear, it just dies.
Well, also it's got 10-year-old fuel and the fuel pump's staying running for who knows what reason.
Yeah. So we'll figure out the little things in life, but dude, it runs and it sounds good.
Oh, did we mention it was free? I just popped a panel off and this was sitting behind the panel rolled up. These are Mercedes-Benz tools. This is nuts. Like this is the whole toolkit. Oh shit, it actually is working now. Oh!
It's got all kinds of shit up in it.
Oh yeah, and I'm sure it needs some lube.
That and you got
I think that might be a bushing.
yeah. Well,
Sick.
sick, bro.
Wood floor, sick. That's a whole fucking boneyard in there. Oh my god. Like, other than the bumpers being trash in that one corner, this thing's solid. Listen to the way that door sounds. Like, this thing is solid, bro. As much as somebody tried to hate this car and destroy it, they didn't even really do that good of a job.
No.
Because it's still fucking...
Still sexy as fuck.
Like, this interior is actually... Like, those door cards are fucking nice, other than the fact that they're filthy-ass dirty. Well, that's it for this video. We're super happy with where we're at here. We've got a running and driving, possibly driving, project that didn't take us anything but a little bit of time to get.
Yeah.
And
we figured out how to use the winch and the trailer to our advantage. And then our boy Rodney came in clutch and just pushed it on the final.
just manhandled it up there.
And I mean, just beautiful. Beautiful into the day, for sure.
So we're gonna close it up this time. Go ahead and go to our shop, check out the merch. You guys have heard it all before.
But we're gonna say it again anyway. Facebook.com/definitely not mechanics. Get your merch, because the more merch y'all buy from us, the more content we get out for y'all, the more stupidity we get to push.
And the more random cars we can find. Oh, now you wanna fuck with me. What's up, dog? What's up?